I've made over $32 million selling simple digital products. And the single biggest thing that I learned has nothing to do with a better product, a nicer logo, or more followers. You see, the people who win are not actually selling a product at all. They're running a machine, a simple system where a total stranger becomes a $27 buyer, that $27 buyer turns into a $2,000 customer, and that happens on repeat. It's not complicated. So today I'm going to build the whole machine in front of you, piece by piece, and make sure to stay with me until the very end, because as a thank you for going through this entire 4-part video series, I've got something genuinely valuable for you. A free VIP sits in a private training that I'm hosting later this week, plus 2 of my paid programs valued over $1,000 I'm going to give to you for free. And I'll show you how to get access to all 3 of these free gifts, but you need to understand how to operate the system first. Otherwise, these gifts will not mean anything to you. And quick note so nobody's lost, if you've watched the first 3 videos, then you've already built these pieces with me. And if this is the first video that you've ever seen, that's totally fine. You understand all of it, but I'd strongly recommend you start with video number 1 of this 4-part video series. I'll leave the link to all 4 videos down below in the description. So today is part 4, the one that ties it all together. Let me show you how to build the machine. One product is not a business. One product is a coin flip. A good month, a bad month, you'll never really feel safe. A machine is the complete opposite. A machine takes a stranger and walks them through, one step at a time, from never hearing about who you are to paying you a little bit of money to then paying you a lot of money. And it runs on a concept that I taught in the very first video of the series, the ladder approach. Now, quick refresher in case you missed it. You don't sell one thing, you sell 3 stacked together. A low-ticket product around $27, a mid-tier one around $197, and a high-ticket offer $2,000 and up. The $27 product is not where you get rich. Its only job is to turn a stranger into a buyer, because the distance between someone who's never paid you versus someone who has paid you once is the biggest gap in business. The real money lives on the middle of the top rungs. And most people only ever build the bottom one, and then they don't understand why they're still broke. You see, the money was sitting on the rungs that they never bothered to build. Watch how the pieces that you already have click together. Video 1, you build the product. Video 2, you build the store that sells that product. And video 3, you learn how to get a flood of the right people watching your free content so that you can have tons of buyers waiting outside the door. And as of right now, you have people watching your content and you have something to sell. The machine is just the thing that connects those 2 automatically, so you're not standing there manually begging for sales. So let me walk you through the exact path that one stranger takes from a random scroll all the way to a $2,000 customer. It starts with your content. One of those free Instagram videos from the last lesson. Someone's scrolling and all of a sudden a video of yours appears. And let's say that the video is about focusing while working from home, which has been our example throughout this whole video series. They watch, they want more, and so they do one of a few things. One, they might leave a comment, they might reply to your story, they might tap the link in your bio. And in video number 3, I showed you the simplest version of this. The bio links to your store, they buy and it's done. That works. And that's all you ever want to do. You'll make money doing it, but there's a way stronger, more effective version that rescues all the people that the simple version loses. And this is the exact thing that I promised you at the end of the last video. Someone watches your video, they feel interested for about 4 seconds, but then they never buy. Why is that? Because nothing human happened. It was a cold link and a scroll away. So the stronger version adds one more human step. When someone comments or messages you, you actually talk to them. A normal, simple conversation in your DMs, not a pitch, a conversation. So you ask what they're stuck on and you point them to the very thing that helps. And then you hand them to the link inside of your $27 product. So how do you actually get people into your DMs in the very first place? And instead of just hoping that they message you. You see, at the end of your video, you tell people to comment a specific word. Something like, comment the word focus and I'll send you my free checklist. People love this. It's easy, it's free, and they want thing. So they comment. And here's the magic part. A tool called ManyChat watches for the word, and the second that someone comments it, ManyChat automatically is going to send them a direct message for you. That means there's no phone in your hand, you're not spending hours sending DMs every single day. No, someone comments the word focus at 3 in the morning while you're sleeping, and they instantly, in less than 5 seconds, get a friendly DM from your account automatically with the free checklist sent automatically to them. And with that free checklist, that's not just a free giveaway, it's the doorway. Because now you're in a real conversation inside the direct messages and you've already given them something useful and they trust you a little more. So the comment gets them the freebie opens the conversation, and the conversation sends them to the store to buy your product. And all of it kicked off with just one word and a comment below. So now they've bought the $27 product And most people stop right here and they celebrate. Yay, I just made 27 bucks. My friend, this is where the machine is just getting warmed up. And real quick, remember in video number 1, you could build your low ticket product as a simple no-code app instead of a one-time download? If you do that, your $27 entry point becomes $27 a month every single month automatically for as long as that customer stays subscribed. It's the same machine in the same funnel, except now the bottom rung of that ladder pays you every single month instead of just one time. So just know that that lever is there because inside that $27 product, there's an invitation, a simple, no pressure offer to hop on a free value call with you. Listen, you bought this small thing, and on this call, I'll help you map out the big picture. For the people who want to move a little faster and want your direct help, this is where your mid to high ticket offer comes in. The coaching, the done with you, the higher end thing from video 1. Now stop and look at what just happened. A total stranger watched a free 15-second video. Minutes later, they're 27 bucks in, and now they're on a call with you, and then they're a $2,000 customer. And you were never once pushy because each step quietly earned the next, and the machine walked them up the ladder rung one step at a time. And that right there, that's the system. That is the thing that the quietly rich creators are doing that nobody else can see. Now, I have to be honest about something that most people will conveniently skip. What if you don't have a $2,000 product yet? What if you don't even have a $27 product that you love? Remember the arbitrage concept from video number 1 called product arbitrage? This is where you sell someone else's proven, done-for-you digital product for a generous commission. Because if you don't have a low-ticket product of your own, use someone else's product as a $27 entry point. If you don't have a high-ticket offer, send your buyers to someone else's $2,000 program and earn a generous commission. Some of them pay 50, 60, even 80% plus commissions. You can even run your own little product at the bottom and plug someone else's big offer in at the top. The machine genuinely does not care whose products fill the rungs. It only cares that the rungs exist. You can build this entire thing today using products that already exist. And by the way, this is not to promise you a number. I don't do income promises because at the end of the day, success and results are on you. But I want to illustrate this so you can see why this matters so much. Say 100 people buy your $27 product. That's $2,700. Nice, but not life-changing. Now let's say out of those 100 buyers, 11%, only 11 take you up on the free call, and 3 of those people become $2,000 customers. That's an extra $6,000 from the same 100 people. You did not get more traffic or views. You didn't post more content. You just built the upper rungs instead of shopping at the bottom. And the person selling the only $27 product walked away with $2,700. You walked away with $8,700 from the same number of human customers. My students run this exact machine. Priscilla was a stay-at-home mom with 2 kids, bills piling up, and she had 0 prior experience. She did over $20,000 in her second month, and now she's made a little over $200,000 total from selling simple digital products. Lila was a college student, started a brand new Faces account from 0 followers, made her first sale with less than 55 followers, and has done well over $20,000 in sales without ever showing her face. Kayla was a full-time nurse and mom. She posted a single 7-second video that pulled in nearly 2 million views and turned it into real sales. None of these people were experts. Let me be straight with you, because the hype online makes me a little sick. This is not a magic button. Nobody taps a button and watches money fall out of the sky. That's called a scam. And that is not what this is. You still have to put up the content online. You still have to talk to people like a human. You actually have to help someone with a real problem and want to serve and make an impact on their lives. Remember, income is just a reflection of the impact. But here's what genuinely changed. The thing that used to take a team of 10 people in 6 months of work, you can now do yourself in an afternoon with AI doing 80% of the heavy lifting yourself. The work didn't vanish. It just got 10 times smaller. And that's the reason a normal person with a normal life can build this in their spare time. So let's pull the entire thing together in one breath. You make free content that finds the right interested buyers. The content drops them into a simple DM message conversation. That conversation automatically sends them a $27 product to buy. The product invites them to a free call, and that free value call offers them the $2,000 product. The product, store, content, system. 4 pieces, 1 machine running on repeat. And now you have the entire thing. And that's the shift that I wanted to hand to you. This is the exact machine behind my $57,000 a month digital product businesses. So here's the part that I promised you at the very start because you've earned it now. You've now seen the entire machine from start to finish. But seeing it explained in a video versus actually watching it being built in real time in front of your eyes are 2 completely different things. So here's what I'd like to give to you for absolutely free. Later this week, I'm hosting an exclusive private VIP workshop. It's where I go deeper than I could ever go on a YouTube video. And I'm going to show up on this workshop and walk you through the entire machine in detail and show you exactly how to piece it together. I'm even going to bring on a few guest speakers, past mentees of mine that have done $20,000, $30,000, some even over $85,000 in a single month. And they're going to answer your questions and show you exactly how they did it. And because you went through this whole video series with me, here are the 3 gifts that I want to give to you for absolutely free. First, my full Freedom Profit System. This is a complete step-by-step video training program valued at over $997 that walks you through everything we covered today in even more depth. It's yours for completely free. And it gets better because the second gift, I'm going to be giving you access to my 72-hour launch challenge. This is the 3-day challenge I'm hosting next week where I'm going to show you exactly how to launch your business to make your first or next sale in less than 72 hours. And finally, number 3, this is the best one. You're getting a VIP ticket to a private workshop that I'm hosting later this week. All of these for free as my thank you and congratulations for you making it to the end of these 4-part video series. Each one of these I normally charge a lot of money for. So here's exactly how to get everything. First, tap the first link in the description. That will get you your VIP ticket that's already confirmed. You just have to claim it for the private workshop I'm hosting later this week. This is the very first step that I want you to take because this is where I walk you through the 3 most important steps of how to build an AI business, and I'm going to do it in front of your eyes. This is the exact system that I personally use to make well over $100,000 a month. And the best part is it works for complete beginners. And then once you attend this workshop, within 24 hours, once the workshop is over, our system is able to tell if you actually showed up to the workshop. For those who show up to the workshop, you're going to be emailed the Freedom Profit System, that $997 course, and the 3-day challenge registration ticket after attending the workshop. You need to move fast by clicking the first link down below because the seats to this workshop will fill up. The smart move right now is to go ahead and grab your free ticket and confirm it instead of telling yourself that you'll come back later, because I don't know the next time that I'll be hosting one of these workshops. So here's the honest truth that I want you to leave with. You don't understand how to build a real digital product business better than the vast majority of people who ever attempt it. You've got the product, you've got the store, you even have the traffic and the machine that ties it all together. The only thing left for you is to actually do it and not do it alone. So go ahead, tap the first link down below, confirm your free seat to the private workshop I'm hosting later this week because it's starting really soon. And I'm going to take you deeper into this whole system that I could ever do inside of this video. And you already did the hard part. You went through the entire video series and you actually understand this now. Do not waste all that information and that momentum. Don't waste the momentum. Click the link below, grab your spot to the workshop starting very soon. And I look forward to personally seeing you there and coaching you on the workshop starting soon. I'll see you there.